Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect your DJI Mic Mini to your Android phone. So let's begin. It's pretty easy and simple. So here you can see this is my receiver and this is my transmitter. That's I'm just going to connect. So first of all, this on I just going to connect on my Android phone, and right now you can see uh, this light is not blinking. That means it's connected with my Android phone perfectly. Right now I just need to connect the transmitter. So I just need to just long press with this power button, and here you can see this light is not blinking. That means it's also paired with my receiver. Right now this DJI Mic Mini already connected with my Android phone perfectly. Right now you can use it. So it's pretty easy and simple. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.